everyone, we are back together with Gary. We came here to try some absolutely amazing Eastern food, but this food is a little bit special, right?
A little bit special. It's the first time I've ever seen this anywhere, guys. Kho Mu Yang, grilled pork neck, but it's first dipped in nam chim jiao, which is usually the dipping sauce you get with it, grilled to caramelized perfection.
I can't wait to try this. The restaurant is literally just behind us over there, but pork is not ready yet, so we're gonna start this vlog with some delicious breakfast. Let's go. Somebody's excited about their fried chicken. So we are back in Old Town with Gary. We're starting day with breakfast. There's nothing better in Thailand for breakfast than gai thot and khao niao, which is Thai fried chicken and sticky rice, my favorite at all times. Gary's just waiting over there ordering food for me. The market is literally next door to gai thot place. There is a very popular store. There is a queue of the locals waiting for the chicken, waiting for the breakfast to be cooked. Freshly cooked chicken. I cannot wait. It smells delicious already. Chicken looks so crispy. I cannot wait to try it. You've eaten here before?
Yeah, I've eaten here before. I've eaten it. It's just, I love it. Crispy batter. It's like peppery, salty.
Right, have we ordered chicken yet?
Not yet, but I better get ordering because
there's not much left.
There's not much left. I think he's going to fry some more, but where I've been filming, I go, alright, I'm just going to go and order, and then another person comes to the back of the queue. So it's like this all day until she runs out. Like this.
It's really busy, super busy.
Basically, Diggy's saying, go and order. Alright, I'm going to go and order.
I'm hungry, come on. Well, I could order for myself, but I don't know what's best here, you know? That was pork, right?
Any more, love?
I'm super excited. I absolutely love stores like that. The food is being cooked fresh. I wish you could smell it. This is our breakfast, first meal of the day, but later on we're going to eat some Esan food, so make sure you're not gonna miss that, because the food is gonna be epic over there. This must be us now, right? Oh, two more ladies. Where's all these people come from? They literally appear from nowhere.
I literally turned my back for 2 seconds.
Yeah. Oh wow! Whoa! Oh my God! Check this out. I need to eat now.
เอาซับปอกไก่นะครับ แล้วก็หมูทอดนะครับ เนื้อหมูทอดนะครับ
Right, so what I can see, what Gary ordered for us, he ordered some sticky rice, chicken thigh. Chicken thigh is taking off the bone. I can't believe it. This is so convenient. You literally just pick up the pieces of chicken and you're gonna eat it. I'm so excited. And some fried pork as well, freshly fried pork. I can't wait to try that. Oh yeah, good idea. What is the name of this place?
ข้าวเหนียวไก่ทอดหมูทอด fried chicken, fried pork.
Ah, right. Should we open this parcel now?
Yeah.
Let's see what we got here. Oh wow! Oh my goodness!
Look at that glistening, guys.
This is literally best breakfast
Ever, right?
Oh my God! I'm so excited. I just don't want to drop this. I think Gary would kill me.
I will kill you. I like you a lot. You're my good friend, but you're dead.
Let's make this a table. You can see it? Yeah, they can see it.
Now what I think, maybe we don't eat all of the sticky rice, because we're obviously going to have to eat sticky rice in a minute when we go back to the pork. But we'll have a little bit.
Should I go with, I'm going to go with pork first. Nam jing jiao. I'm literally just dripping in my mouth looking at this. Oh my God.
I already, the chow's nice, right? I already ate a little bit of the pork off camera, got in a bit of trouble.
This pork is absolutely incredible. It's so crispy and crunchy on the outside, but it literally just melts in your mouth, isn't it?
So good. And that chow sauce, really heavy on the tamarind, so it's really tart and sour.
A little bit spicy as well.
Yeah, very spicy.
Chicken, let's go for chicken. I'm not even gonna go for sauce with that chicken. Oh my.
Do you know what it reminds me of? It reminds me a bit of like English fish and chips, but not in a bad way. I don't mean to like insult anyone.
I know what you mean because we're eating on a paper.
Yeah, paper with the batter and
yeah,
like,
and they used to wrap English fish and chips in actually newspaper. This chicken is absolutely incredible.
so good.
Did you have some? Because I'm gonna eat it all in a
I've had the
minute.
chicken.
Left that big bit for you.
No, I'll save it for that.
Oh shoot, I forgot. Sorry.
Chili, eat it. I'll order another one.
I forgot. We need to record this for Gary's camera, so I'm just stuffing my face. This is so good.
That's the sign of a good chicken.
Oh my god. Yeah, don't worry about it. Don't worry
What
about
about you
it.
guys?
There is so much good food around this area. I literally
Crazy.
did not know.
Now you know.
ขอบคุณค่ะสวัสดีค่ะ We are absolutely filled. This chicken was incredible. That chicken, consistency of this chicken reminded me a little bit of khao man gai. It was so soft, wasn't
Oh,
it?
so soft.
And
So
quality of the khao niao is also very good as well. It doesn't really stick to your hands, and it doesn't leave that what do you call it?
Film.
Yeah, like a sticky film
Yeah.
on your hands, which I absolutely love. Alright, but now we are off to try some of the Eastern food in Bangkok, some of the, what are we having over there?
We're gonna have kho mu yang, so pork jiao, pork cheek, pork neck, they call it here. But this one's special because it's dipped in nam jim jiao, which is the
Oh,
sauce we
yeah.
just had there, and then grilled. So
It's marinated for a long time in
Yeah.
that sauce, right?
special.
Oh, Rocket Man soda, no way! Oh, should we get a soda? You like soda?
Not really, but
Oh,
you can
I'm gonna
one.
get it. I'm gonna get Rocket Man
Here,
soda. We did a video of this man the other day. Sawadika. Sawadika, sabai mai ka.
สบายดีครับได้เลย ครับสวัสดีครับ
เอา
พี่
โอเคค่ะเอาโซดาค่ะเอา
Diggy love.
you need to check it out. This guy is so cool. ใช่วัดบางคอง
สตรอเบอรี่องุ่นสตรอเบอรี่
เอาลิชี่ค่ะ
ลิชี่
ใช่ค่ะ This is so cool. This is very old school Thai drink. We met this man very close to Wat Mong Kong. Wat Mong Kong. He remembers us. Oh, อันนี้ cowboy.
ครับบอย
Cowboy. Yay! He's absolutely lovely gentleman. If you see him around the Thailand, stop him on his motorbike and get some of his soda. Check this out. How cool.
ครับ
ขอบคุณมากค่ะ
บ๊ายบายบ๊ายบายบ๊ายบาย
บ๊ายบายค่ะ บ๊ายบายค่ะ
บ๊ายบายครับบ๊ายบาย
So good because I've got
So we are just outside the restaurant where we're gonna have some delicious food, some unique food as well, because this komuyang, the komuyang we're gonna try here, it has been marinated for ages in nam jim jiao. I'm super excited to try it. Gary is excited. We are still hungry, believe it or not. We need to have more food. Let's go. So this is pork marinated in nam jim jiao. I hope we can get this chicken as well. The chicken's gonna be ready. This looks incredible. This is a serious barbecue here. Everything is being prepared for pork to be grilled. I can't wait to try this stuff.
ข้าวเหนียว
Try.
ข้าวเหนียว
absolutely.
Oh wow! อร่อยไหม
อร่อย
อร่อย
แซ่บ
Oh, that is so cool. Wow.
แซ่บ
Oh, look at that pork. Wow, this looks incredible. The heat from that barbecue is just out. Mind your camera, you're gonna melt.
I'm gonna have to go back here, I think.
Caramelized crispy bits as well on the side of this pork. This looks incredible. I can't wait to eat it.
Nice.
Wow. Kalkunaka. And such a lovely, friendly man as well. Oh, yeah.
เดี๋ยวย่างไก่เลยอ่ะ
Wow.
ว้าว
Wow, wow. Oh, shame we can't have guy as well.
ไก่
It's gonna take ages to cook, right, on a barbecue.
Yeah.
When you see a happy man like that, you know that food is gonna be good. He's happy in his work and he loves what he's doing. That's the best places.
Yang. Okay, I don't think we're going to get the chicken today, guys.
I just saw something super cool. Check this out, the massive ice crusher. Wow! Video wow! It's nice and cool here, but literally he just chucked huge cube of ice into that machine and it was just spraying massive ice everywhere. I love seeing random stuff like that. This is so cool, honestly. I wonder, oh, he's gonna do another one. Let's have a look. So cool. Wow. Sorry, I just got the kapkunaka. Sorry, I just got distracted from the restaurant. I was wondering what is going on. Then I saw a massive cube of ice. Huge ice just going straight in the machine. I had to go and check it out.
This, guys, absolute heaven.
Well, it looks like Gary's overtaking the kitchen again.
Sorry, Diggy, I've just got to try it, see if it's alright for you again.
I'm used to it now. Don't worry. Don't wait for me. But I'm gonna go for this pork with Nam Jim Jao. Nam Jim Jao is a bit different here. I can see already it's gonna be very spicy and it's not gonna be sweet, which always is a bonus for me. But there's loads of fat on this pork. Caramelized crispy bits from that barbecue, from the grill. This fat is full of flavor. Oh my god, the pork is nice and soft. This is grilled to perfection. Yeah, I think this is perfect portion just for one person. Sorry, Gary. No, not sharing this one. Honestly, Nam Jim Jao is absolutely amazing. The spice is growing on me now, so it's getting spicier and spicier, like, you know, my mouth starts slowly to burn. I like that.
So, I know a lot of you think that, well, not think, but just in general, when we say som tam, we think papaya salad, but you can have it with anything. I much prefer it with cucumber. And we've got a little bit of pala in here. We've got that pickled field crab as well. Some tomatoes, palm sugar, etc, etc, and loads of chili and a little bit of Thai garlic.
Gary's gonna have a first taste for us.
I'm shaking a little bit as you guys know, well, you might not know, but if you watch my channel, you'll know that I've just got over my fear of pala, so if there's too much in it, it sends me wild, but hopefully this isn't too bad. Oh no, that's perfect. Ooh, just a nice background sort of earthiness, nice saltiness from that fermented fish sauce. Let's get some chili, get some cucumber. Super spicy, really fresh. The perfect accompaniment to the best Nam Jim Jao this side of Ubon Ratchathani.
I don't know if I mentioned, but this lovely gentleman and his wife, they come from Ubon Ratchathani. And they have their store in Bangkok. They have their shop, restaurant in Bangkok. What is the name of the restaurant, sorry?
คอหมูย่าง
It's suddenly come back to me. Lakhana Kho Mu Yang.
Right, I'm gonna go for this salad. This salad looks absolutely incredible. You've seen Gary trying it, now it's my turn. Hello, Ma.
แล้ว
So good. This pala tastes amazing. It's salty, but it doesn't have that fermented fish smell or taste. This is really good pala. I think this is the best pala I ever had. For sure. I could see Gary just looking at me from the barbecue. Wow, look at that chicken, man. Wow.
Okay, on and in the house.
Look at that glaze on the top. It's sticky, it's shiny. And Nam Jim Jao. I'm sure Gary is gonna try some for you in a second. Won't have to ask him twice. Another dish just have arrived. I'm not sure what that is. This is like a hot soup with loads of herbs inside. I just saw it on a picture over there. I asked Gary, what is it? Let's order some. Time for some more food.
Alright,
Like we didn't have enough.
like we haven't already eaten our weight in food.
So this dish, what is this dish called? I was really curious to try it because I seen dill in it. Dill is very popular herb in Poland. We add it to soups, we add it to all the salads. I really wanted to try it. What is it?
It's geng om. So it's like, I would describe it as kind of like an Isan version of a jungle curry.
Oh.
It's a soup, but it's full of herbs. It's got pala in it, the same fish sauce that's in the somtam, but when it's cooked it tastes completely different. Like it just gives you a real saltiness. We've got baijapul, which are wild betel nut leaves that you get. The miangkan we had in the market, that leaf that wraps that is what's in here. You've got some Chinese greens, we've got green beans, some globe eggplant or aubergine, and then some nice fatty sliced pork and some soft cartilage as well to boot. So it's very sort of the sort of dish that if you're sick, you just like wrapped up in a duvet watching Netflix and just having a bowl of this on the sofa.
Yeah, when I'm sick, I always like to cook a chicken broth soup.
There you go. But I think the deal in this is going to really make you think of like
Home.
Yeah.
Right. Let's try some.
Sorry, I've already eaten my bowl.
Told you have to be quick when you're eating with Gary. Just by the time you actually load the spoon, this is already finished.
Gone.
This is so good.
It's good, right?
You can't taste pala. I think pala is just adding a little bit of saltiness to the soup.
Do you think if I told you, if I just brought you here, blindfolded you, put you on a plane and dropped you here, right, would you think that was a Thai dish?
No.
Wouldn't, right?
If you take out the chilies, I couldn't probably taste the difference between
That's enough
Polish
bonus there.
vegetable soup and this one. I really like it. It reminds me of home. That's crazy. So good.
Off you go, Diggy.
I am so excited to try this chicken. This chicken looks absolutely incredible. It looks so good and it smells so good that I've already ordered some for Danny, takeaway to take home for him. Oh my god! Just look at that chicken. That is on my top right now, but that is literally just falling off the bone when I pick it up. I've never seen anything like it. Let's try some. I'm just gonna go for it. I'm not even gonna dip it in namjim jao. Oh my god. Oh my god. Chicken is so soft. I get crunchy bits of that skin. It's sweet, it's tender, juicy, so juicy. Oh my, this is one of the best chickens I've ever had. I can't even explain it to you. I don't want to explain it to you how good this is because I just want to eat it. Yay!
Kat?
I
need someone.
Gary, thanks very much for bringing me here.
My pleasure.
We're gonna take rest of it out with us home.
I think we're
because
gonna have to, aren't we?
I can't finish that.
I think we're gonna have to.
Yeah. Thanks very much for bringing me here.
Thank you very much for
All
having me.
the links are in description. Links with location, link to Gary's channel. Check out his video as well, because he's probably gonna look completely different to mine. Much better for sure. And yeah, we're gonna see you in next one. Leave the thumbs up. Don't forget thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more of us. See you next one, guys. Bye. Love you long time.
Love you long.
Bye.